for this shoe redo, you're going to need some E6000, of course, some old shoes, some heels preferably, and some clips, Duckbill clips. You can get those from the beauty supply store, as well as some appliques. Sequined appliques or rhinestone appliques will work, and I do have some of these on my website, so hop on over there to get some for your project. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just deciding on the placement of the appliques to see how I want it to lay on the shoe. And I just took some pins, some straight pins, and pinned it in place just to make sure that the placement would work for me and to make sure that they were both on each shoe matching. So I just peel it up a little bit and place my E6000 underneath the applique. And you see I still have pins on the outer rim of the shoe, and that's just so that my placement stays exact. Now remember, E6000 dries pretty fast, so I'm not just going to put it on the whole applique at one time. I'm going to put it on smaller portions so that the glue doesn't dry out before I place it. So I just put it on this front portion and I'm gluing it down, and then after I glue it down, I'm going to take my straight pins, or you could take your clips and clip or pin them back into place. All right, so now I'm working on the other side, and you see I have a toothpick. I'm just doing that to spread the E6000 on the applique so that it's flat and not bulging out from the corners, because we don't want that overspill. So I'm just pressing it down firmly, making sure everything stays in place, and I'm going to take my toothpick. You see I'm taking my toothpick and just applying some more glue on the corners just to make sure that everything is glued down and secure. We don't want anything flopping up or falling off, so we gotta make sure it's on here tight. So you see I'm just going through here. I'm doing the back of the shoe, and I have a million straight pins, and also I have some clips. Just holding it firmly in place. And we're done.